and drop something.
Nope. Huh?
Wow! A rainbow Kitkat. I will use it to make a wonderful Kitkat. Kitty, wake up. Hey, hey, hey. This Kitkat has 3 flavors. I love it. Something is missing. Hello. Here is it. Start with strawberry Kitkat. Bake them at 150 degrees for 45 minutes. Blueberry flavored popping candy. I will use popping candy as a filling for fondant. My mouth feels like it's having an explosion. Let's decorate the cake. Alternating the cake base is chocolate cream. One multiplied by 2 equals 2. Complete. Wow! So amazing Kitkat cake. So yummy and delicious. Better than anything I've ever eaten.
Watch my magic.
Wow! So amazing. Today I will make this magician's cake. Bake the cake for 150 degrees in 45 minutes. Next I will mold a rainbow fondant. Quickly decorate the cake. I will add melted chocolate.
Hello. I have a present for you.
And done. Wow! So colorful. This is a gift for you.
Thank you.
Wow! The magic's so impressive.
I will confess.
Hey!
I love you. Be my girlfriend. Thank you.
I will make a lovely jelly cake from Chupa Chups. Melt Chupa Chups. Kitkat. Melt Kitkat. Kitkat or dairy egg? Which one should I choose? I will choose it. Wow! 2 egg yolks. Add ingredients. Mix it up. Bake the cake at 145 degrees for 50 minutes. Decorate this cake. Sprinkle with Spinkle. A great combination. This is for you. Wow!
Really? So yummy. I love it.
Hey! Wow!
Unacceptable.
Huh?
I will make a grand birthday cake for you. Okay. Rainbow Kitkat. It's wonderful. Finely chopped Kitkat. Cook Kitkat. Next I will make the cake base. Mix it up. Add chocolate to the cake. Bake the cake at 145 degrees for 50 minutes. Let's decorate the cake. Magic. Melted rainbow Kitkat. Sweet soft candy. Finished.
Wow! That's amazing. Thank you, Baker.
Nothing. Happy birthday, Sophia.